Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my video. So today we have a new video en route to Mombasa for a little retreat, and I wanted to tag you guys along. Please like, share, subscribe and watch the video up to the end. Let's get into it. We went to Mombasa by bus, and it was my first time going there by a commercial bus, and I really enjoyed the journey because of the company I had. We arrived at around 10 a.m. Then we went to a cafe, took some breakfast, then later on drove to our Airbnb to check in, and later on we got ready and went out to go walk on the beach. guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my video. So today is a vlog. We are in Mombasa, Nyali, and I wanted to do a house tour so that I show you guys how the place looks like. Currently I'm on the balcony, so let me walk you through. We have that swing here, so pretty. Then there's a sitting room, quite nice, quite nice. And the kitchen, this is the entryway. Nice, I like the hat. This is one bedroom and it looks pretty nice. A standard bedroom, and it's huge with AC and everything. Vent here. Here's the bathroom. Here is the second bedroom. There's someone inside, so I can look at mirror. Now the master bedroom. Here is the room. It's so cute and huge. Very huge. Look. There is your girl. It's so huge. Let me give you a walkthrough of how the place looks. You guys know this was my feet. It's a 2%. Yep. The place is so cute with a fan and a TV. And then here we have a bathroom. The other one. Guys, that's where we are staying. Look at the view around. It's so cute. The environment is so great, nice. And this is me for the day. This is the fit for the day. Yeah, we are going swimming and trying to catch sunsets. And guys, please like, share, subscribe, and continue watching the video. It's so cute over here. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. The beach was like 10 to 15 minutes walk from where we are staying, and then when we reached the beach it wasn't as crowded. There was not a lot of people in there, so we got a place to changed into our costume and went in for a dip, and it was such a nice feeling. had a very fun evening, and later on we went back, changed to our clothes, then walked back to where we were staying, and then ate some dinner, and later on rested to start the following day. Thank you guys for watching up to this end. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.